Hi and welcome to the channel. Louise made a request to analyze SJM Smuckers, so let's take a look. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. SJM Smuckers has a market cap of $15 billion, the current stock price is 149.86 and they operate in the food products industry. If we look back 10 years, we can see that SJM, the black line, has underperformed the S&P 500 by quite the margin. And this is with dividends reinvested for both the S&P and Smuckers. Now some financial data. The annual sales growth the past 5 years has been 1.6%. That's not good enough, that's an X. The earnings per share has been 2.70%. That's also not great, so that's an X. The analyst expects some better numbers for the future earning, but still not enough, 5.14%. Our EPS threshold is 8%. The return on capital has been 7.15%, so that's also an X. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating would be 9.2 years. So Smuckers not up for a great start, 5x's. Let's see if their dividend is any better. An acceptable dividend yield at 2.72%, so the first check mark. And last year they actually bought back 1.74% of their shares. The payout ratio is okay at 46% and the dividend growth rate is 5.61%. Not super good, but still over the 5% threshold. And they have been growing their dividend for 20 years, so that's impressive at least. But yeah, the financial side not that good. They have a great dividend though that they're taking care of, so 5 out of 10 points. Let's check the valuation. Here we have SJM Smuckers in fast graphs. The orange line is the earnings and we have set it to 18 year, which gets us 15 data points in the history and 3 points in the future. Top right we can see that the annual growth rate of the earnings is 7%, which is mediocre. It's on par with S&P actually. The white line is their dividend, so at least that is increasing at a stable rate. But if we also plot their normal PE, which is about 16 compared to the price, we can see that both the price and the earnings are actually not that volatile. And right now it's actually trading a bit above its normal valuation. If we project out to mid 2025, analyst expects an annual rate of return of about 5.5%. This seems like a pretty predictable company, but let's also check the analyst scorecard if they are any good with their estimates. And here we can see top right that it's 14 beats and 80% hits, so the earnings estimates are really reliable for Smuckers, which we can see in the graph below. The orange line and the dotted brown line is very similar. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest video where I go through my portfolio and the dividends received for October. See you soon!